Good morning. Last 4 videos we completed the first chapter, exercise 1.1, 1.2. So these two exercises already completed. Okay, in last 4 videos. So now today we start third exercise. What is there in third exercise? Real numbers and their decimal expansions. Yes. So this is the new thing which we have to start. Third exercise. Real numbers and their decimal expansions. So you know that I am giving a rough idea first. Real number, every number in maths is a real number, and we already discussed that. This is divided in two categories. One is rational and one is irrational numbers. So irrational number means what, you know, all roots will be there. Okay, a number which can be written in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0, this is rational number, like 3, minus 3, 2 by 5, 0.7. So all these are rational numbers. So usually rational number means what? You know, it's a fraction where p and q are integers, and a number which cannot be written in p by q form, that is irrational number. Anyway, I am giving a rough idea, this already we discussed. Please see, what is the meaning of now real numbers and their decimal expansions? Now we talk about this, what is the meaning of decimal expansion. So I am just giving a rough idea first. You know, rational number has two types of decimal expansions. Rational number, one is terminating decimal and one is non-terminating but recurring or repeating decimal. Here, you know, when you divide a fraction, here in this case terminating decimal means what, you know, remainder becomes 0. Here, you know, non-terminating but repeating decimal is what? Remainder never becomes 0. I am just giving an idea. Real numbers, there are two types, rational and irrational. Rational numbers means p by q, all fractions. So there are two types of decimal expansions. Rational number has, one is terminating decimal and one is non-terminating but repeating decimal. What is the meaning of terminating decimal? You know, when remainder becomes 0. I will show you, after this I will show you the example. Here remainder never becomes 0. And what is irrational number? You know, it is always, it is non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. So this is the main idea. This is about the decimal expansions. Rational number has two types of decimal expansions, terminating decimal, otherwise this, and non-terminating but repeating. This is what? Irrational number always has non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. I show you now the examples. Please see. First case you see, suppose 5 by 8. You know, it's a rational number. It's a rational number. Yes, I take one more case. Suppose 5 by 3. You see these two cases. Yeah, now you understand what is the meaning of decimal expansion. Okay, see, 5 by 8 is a rational number, 5 by 3 is also a rational number. Okay, so when we divide 5 by 8, 5 is divided by 8, yeah, 5 is divided by 8, you see what I am getting, 5 divided by 8, 8 zeros are 0, 5 left, then I put decimal and 0 here, 8 6 are 48, I am just doing normal division, 8 6 are 48, 2 left, 0, 8 2 are 16, 4 left, 0, 8 5 are 40, 40 minus 40 you got 0, see when remainder becomes 0, this is called what? Terminating decimal, and this is the answer, you know, this is called what? Decimal expansion. So what is decimal expansion of 5 by 8 is this, and this is terminating decimal. The reason you understand? Because you got remainder 0. So when remainder you get 0, it is a terminating decimal. So this is called the decimal expansion. Understood? Now I am taking another case. See, this is rational number, even this is also rational number. Now 5 is divided by 3. 5 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 2 left. Decimal 0. 3 6 are 18. 2 left. Yeah, 2 left 0. 3 6 are 18. 2 left 0. 3 6 are 18. 2 left 0. 3 6 are 18. 2 left 0. Now you can understand that you get remainder never becomes 0. So this is the second type. So what is the first type? Remainder can become 0. This is terminating decimal. This is terminating decimal. When remainder never becomes 0. So what is the answer? What is the decimal expansion of 5 by 3 is, yes, 5 by 3 is equal to what? This 1.1.6666. You know when, so it never stops. You get never 0 here. So you know, we instead of writing 6666 we just put bar here. Understand? So what is the meaning of that? You know, 1.666666 will be continued. We put bar here. So this is called non-terminating but recurring or repeating decimal. So a rational number has two types. This is rational number. One type is terminating decimal. Rational number has second type, this. So always a rational number has two types only. Terminating, otherwise non-terminating. That's all. And irrational number has non-terminating, non-repeating. That we discuss later. Okay. So 7 by 5 is there. If you divide it 7 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 2 left, decimal 0, 5 4 are 20, you got 0. So what is the decimal expansion of 7 by 5? 1 by 1.4. 1.4 is the answer. This is called decimal expansion. And is terminating decimal because you got 0. If you never get 0, non-terminating but repeating. Okay? Yes. Now see, we start questions. Please see. First I am giving some extra questions. Find the decimal expansion of 19 by 20. Or first I take easy question. Yeah, 19 by 5 for example. Find the decimal expansion of 19 by 5. So 19 is divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. 19 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. 4 left. Decimal 0. 5 8s are 40. 40 minus 40 0. So what is 19 by 5? 3.8. This is the answer. That's all. This is called what? This is called terminating decimal. Yes. Why? Because when you get 0, terminating decimal. See more cases. Find the decimal expansion. Question is given like this. Find the decimal expansion of 17 by 6. Yes, please. 17 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12. 5 left. Decimal 0. 6 8s are 48. 2 left. 0. 6 3s are 18. 2 left. 0. 6 3s are 18. 2 left. 0. 6 3s are 18. So you can understand that you have to stop, because here always you will get 2 2 2 2 2 only. Never this, you never get 0. You can understand that. So what is the answer? 17 by 6 is equal to 2.8. 3 3 3 3. It will be repeated continuously, never stops. So what we put, 2.8 3 bar. What is the meaning of that? This 3 will be continued. 3 3 3 3 always you get. So it is called what? It is non-terminating. So this is the answer. What is the decimal expansion? This one. Okay, 2.83 bar. Only bar is on 3, because 3 is repeated. It is non-terminating, recurring, but recurring or repeating decimal, like that. Got it? Let's see one more case. Find the decimal expansion of, yes, suppose a question is 23 by 7. Yes, 23 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. 23 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 left. Decimal we take 0. 7 2s are 14. 6 left. 7 8s are 56. 4 left. 7 5s are 35. 5 left. 7 7s are 49. 1 left. 7 1s are 7. 3 left. 7 4s are 28. 2 left. Decimal is already there. Once you have taken, no, you can always take decimal 0. 7 2s are 14. 6 left. 7 8s are 56. 4 left. So you see that 3.285714. Again 28 is repeated. So it will repeat then. So what is the answer you will get, 23 by 7 is equal to 3.285714. See, we put bar. Why please? 285714. Again it will come 285714, 285714, 285714. That only will come. So we put bar here, because 28 started repeating. This is called what? It is non-terminating but repeating. Yes. So this is there in the third exercise. Decimal expansions. Yes. Now see. We start exercise 1.3. Third exercise we start. Write down the decimal expansion. Write down the following in decimal form. Yes. Write down the following in decimal form. and say what kind of decimal expansion it has. Yes. See, we have to give the decimal form or decimal expansion and say what kind of decimal form. So now we are doing actually rational numbers all. So I have already given the idea that rational numbers are of two types. One is terminating decimal, otherwise non-terminating but repeating. So all these questions of rational numbers. So first question you see, 36 by 100. So 36 divided by 100, okay. Give the decimal form. We start. 36 divided by 100. 100 zeros are 0. Because this is small number. 100 zeros are 0. So 36 left. 36 minus 0, 36. Now I can put decimal and 0. 100 threes are 300. 60 left. Again you take 0. 1 0 you can take always. 100 6 are 600. Finished. So what you got 0. So what is the answer? 36 by 100 is equal to 0.36. This is which type, please? Say what kind of decimal expansion it has. It is which type? Terminating. When you say terminating, when you get 0. If you get 0, it is terminating. If you never get 0, non-terminating but repeating. Yes, second question. 1 by 11. Yeah, say 1 divided by 11. 11 zeros are 0, 1 left, decimal 0, but it will not go, you see. I put decimal and 0, but still it is small. So again you take 11 zeros are 0, 10 left. Now you take 1 0. 1 0 you can take always. 11 nines are 99. 1 left. You can take 1 0. It's not going. 11 zeros are 0. 10 left. You can take 1 0. Understand? Now 11 nines are 99. 1 left. You can take 1 0. It's not going. 11 zeros are 0. 10 left. You can take 0. 11 nines are 99. 1 left. So it will be continued. You can understand that you never get 0. Here you never get 0. It will be continued. 0.0909090909 only will come. So what is the answer, you know? We can put 09 bar. Because this is called repeating block. 090909 only will come, no? So is the repeating block. So answer is what? 09 bar. It is non-terminating. See, that was terminating because you got 0. This is non-terminating but repeating. Decimal. Finished. Like this. Now the third question is, we are doing exercise questions. 4 1 by 8. 4 1 by 8. So how much this is? This is 4 1 by 8. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33 by 8. Right? So 33 we have to divide by 8. 8 4s are 32. 1 left. Decimal 0. 8 1s are 8. 2 left. 0. 8 4. 8 2s are 16. 4 left. 0. 8 5s are 40. Finished. 0. You got 0 here. So it is terminating. What is 33 by 8? 4.125 answer. It is terminating decimal. Like that. So you have to write the type also. Which type of decimal expansion it has. Yes, third. Then the fourth bit. 3 by 13. See the fourth question. 3 by 13. So we start. 3 divided by 13. 13 zeros are 0. 3 left. Put decimal 0. 13 2s are 26. 4 left. 0. 13 3s are 39. 1 left. 0. But it's not going. So 13 zeros are 0. 10 left. Now you can take 0. 13 7s are 91. Okay. 9 left. 0. 13 6 are 78. 12 left, 0. 13 9s are 117. 3 left, 0. 13 2s are 26. 4 left, 0. 13 3s are 39. 1 left, 0. 13 zeros are 0. 10 left, 0. So you see that 2 3 0, again it will come 2 3 0 7 6 9, you will get 2 3 0 7 6 9, 2 3 0 7 6 9, it will be continued. So what is the answer? 3 by 13 is equal to 0.230769 bar, because it will repeat again. So it is what? Terminating. Oh, I am sorry. It is non-terminating but recurring. Recurring or repeating decimal. Finished? Now the fifth. 2 by 11. Fifth question. Yes, please say. Fifth question is 2 by 11. 2 divided by 11. 11 zeros are 0. 2 left. Decimal 0. 11 ones are 11. 9 left. 0. 11 eights are 88. 2 left. 0. 11 ones are 11. 9 left. 0. 11 eights are 88. 2 left. 0. 11 ones are 11. 9 left. 0. So you can see that 11 eights are 88. So it will be continued 0.18, 18, 18, 18, never stops. So what is the answer? 0.18 bar. We put bar on 18 because 18, 18, 18, 18 will be repeated. So it is called what? Non-terminating but recurring. Okay. Now the last bit is the sixth. 329 by 400. Yes, this is the last question of that. Sixth bit. So 329 divided by 400. 400 zeros are 0. This is left. Put decimal and 0. 408s are 3200. 90 left. 402s are 800. 100 left. 402s are 800. 200 left. 405s are 2000. Finished. So it is 0. When you are getting 0, it is a terminating decimal. So what 329 by 400 is? 0.8225. It is terminating. It is terminating decimal. Finished. Okay. So I am giving some practice questions. Yeah, please. Write down. Sorry. These are the practice questions. Write down the decimal expansion or decimal form. Write down the decimal expansion of. Yes. Take some questions, please. Okay, so these answers you can check in next video. So we stop today. We completed exercise 1.3, first question, all the bits. Then from question 2, next class we continue. Okay, thank you. Stop now.